So this is my drink infuser, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a drink and just everything about it. This was actually gifted to me from the brand, but as always, I'm going to give you my history. So first I'm going to show you how cute. This is actually inspired by a porthole, and I've been watching so much Bravo TV. I don't know if anyone else watches it, but I've been watching so much, so this just like speaks to me, this porthole, and so much boat content. But I've been loving this, and this actually can sit like right on your counter, and it will pour beautifully, and you can actually like have really cute displays. But I'm actually going to be making, we're going to be making a spiced apple crisp. So this actually comes with a bunch of ingredients, and the one that really spoke to me, especially because we're in fall, almost Thanksgiving, is spiced apple crisp, apple cider. But I forgot oranges and I forgot whole cloves, so it's going to be my own. So first off, in this, we are actually going to put a little bit of brown sugar. So we're going to put a little bit, and we're just going to spread that around. And then I'm going to put my apples. I like a lot of apples. So we're going to put a bunch of apples. And the cool thing about this display is you're going to be able to see these beautiful designs that you're going to make with all of the fruit. So I'm really going to like layer this in. And then you're going to put your cinnamon, and you're going to put your star anise. And then I'm going to close it up, and then we're going to do it. But the other thing you should know is that you're going to have this gasket that's really going to prevent any water from getting out. When you get it to, I actually did test it already. I put some water in it, and it was airtight. I was super surprised. But then you're going to take your glass, and you can put this on, and you're going to get some extra screws with this. I'm going to take this one. Let's see how this works. So as you can see, all of my fruit's just kind of in there. And then I do have some apple cider and some bourbon, and you're going to pour it right through here. And these are actually screens. So these kind of prevent all of this goodness from falling right into your drink and actually clogging the drain. So let's go first. Apple cider. I, of course, do I have a funnel? Let's see if I have a funnel. I do have a funnel. Let's use a funnel just for ease of my mind and because I'm clumsy. So we're just going to pour this right in here. So this is 200 milliliters of apple cider. And then this is 2.5 ounces of bourbon. We are a bourbon household. So as you can see, this almost filled it completely up. And I will probably bring you a little bit down so you can see a little better what it looks like. So if you can see how good that looks, and we're actually going to fill the rest with a little bit of water, because that's what the recipe said you could do. And we are at the full. And you actually get this stopper, and we're just actually going to shake. So as you can see, this is really well sealed. The only spill was my own. So as you can see, this beautiful porthole is just going to sit and infuse, and you are going to have all of your guests wanting to have all this. This is actually going to sit for an hour, and I'm going to come back and taste it. So it's been an hour, and I can't wait to get into this. So let's check it out. Let's taste it. So this is how it has been looking. So we're just going to take the cork off. And we're just gonna, so nicely pour it into my glass. I do have some ice just chilling. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit to taste, because I have to save my husband some. He will be very upset if I don't. So let's taste. Cheers. Oh, that's really good. Oh, I could drink a whole pitcher. All right. You should get this just for the recipe. This is my version of the cider spiced rum. All right, get this, make this recipe, make a whole pitcher. You'll thank me later because this is really good. I might drink the whole thing and make another pitcher for my husband.